Dear Sherry, what does infuse mean in cooking? I've been reading a lot of cannabis cooking articles and recipes and keep coming across the word infuse, but I'm a little lost. Can you explain? Sure I can, no problem. Before I do though, just want to remind you all, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. So infuse means that the food is infused with cannabis or some sort of medicine. That can be from a infused oil or butter, and that's another use of the word infuse. You infuse your butter with cannabis, you infuse your oil with cannabis, and then you cook those, and that makes an infused food. So it can have all of those meanings, but basically the word infuse there just means somehow that cannabis has been added either to the recipe itself or to butter, oil, or a component of that recipe. Infusions are the backbone of cannabis cooking. That's why I spend a lot of time on making infusions in my comprehensive cannabis cooking course for home consumers. There'll be a link to that in the comments below, as well as a coupon code you can use to check that out. But it goes into how to make all kind of infusions, but not only butters and oils, but dairy products like cream and vegan milks, and even things like salt and sugar. So you can infuse a lot of different foods. And then once you have those infused building blocks, you can make tons of infused recipes. And again, in the comments below, there'll be a link to the recipe archive on my website, and you can even sign up and get an alert anytime we add a new cannabis recipe, because I do add new recipes to the website all the time. So check that out too. And happy infused cooking. Eat your weed.